it's Ruth back with Olive Gray Avenue, and I am here to keep working on our little boy's nursery. Now I'm doing something very familiar. I'm doing another slat wall. I did one, if you remember, in our one room challenge in the bathroom, but we're doing it differently. We're not doing the same thing, and we're not covering the whole wall. So hopefully this will be an interesting take and cheaper, easier, everything for how to add a feature wall-ish area. Especially with lumber prices so high, I really wanted to do something, not leave a wall just blank or painted one color. Seemed kind of boring. So I just wanted to add a little pizzazz. So this is what we're gonna do. As always, thanks for watching our videos. Make sure if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that button below so you can follow along with our journey and all the fun things that we have planned.
I'm starting with boards that are 6 feet long and 1x10s. If you have a table saw like this, it usually makes sense to get a bigger piece of wood and rip it down yourself, but you can buy boards that are already pre-cut. I cut these down to about 1x1, but since this isn't going all the way across the wall, the size of spacing isn't as important. I'm leaving these slats as raw wood, so I'm just giving them a light sanding after cutting them down. If you want to stain them, now would be the time, but since they're going in a nursery and they're not in a wet area, I don't need to stain or seal them. This slat wall design gives you a whole lot of freedom, which I love. So we just picked a spot on the wall. Our ceiling's kind of angle, so we picked that corner there, started the first one coming down. This design is actually really cost effective because the slats don't have to go ceiling to floor. So these 6-foot boards go more than half the wall, but they're staggered, and so you get a bigger feature wall for less money. With designs that run vertical like this instead of horizontal, it's impossible to attach all of these to a stud. So what we do for attaching them to drywall and making sure they are secure is taking the brad nailer and crisscrossing the nails. So the first nail we angle towards the right and the second nail we angle towards the left. Putting the nails in opposite directions helps give the resistance needed to keep the slats on the wall. The last thing left to do is just fill all those brad nail holes with wood filler. Since this is a nursery, I didn't want to do any sanding in here, so I just used a baby wipe to wipe off the excess. But if you can wood fill and then sand, you will get a finer finish. Here's the end result. I hope you enjoyed this mini budget-friendly slat wall. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and head on over to our Instagram to check us out there as well. We'll see you next time, and until then, watch another video.